तो जब भी हम ट्रेंडी केक्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो one cake that tops my list is a comic cake. Hi guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers to become a professional pastry chef. So if you are a home baker, then I'm absolutely sure that आपने comic cake Instagram या Pinterest पे जरूर देखा होगा. And you might be thinking how to make it. So इसीलिए आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रही हूँ Instagram famous comic cake. इस ट्यूटोरियल के लिए मैं ऑलरेडी एक फ्रॉस्टेड केक यूज कर रही हूँ। यहाँ पर मैंने इस केक को थिक डार्क चॉकलेट गनाश के साथ फ्रॉस्ट किया है। So while covering a cake with fondant, I do not recommend using whipping cream because whipping cream fondant का weight hold नहीं कर पाएगा and it will become sloppy and a big mess. Also guys, if you do not know how to frost a cake, then check out my chocolate blueberry cake that is frosted with chocolate ganache, where you can learn how to frost a cake from scratch. इसकी लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन एरिया पे मिल जाएगी. Now let's begin with the recipe. So सबसे पहले हम इस केक की लेंथ एंड हाइट मेजर करेंगे. So मेरे केक की लेंथ 19.5 इंच है एंड हाइट 4.5 इंच है. Now we'll roll out this fondant until 2 to 3 mm thickness and cut it according to the length and height of the cake. If the fondant starts to stick to your hand or to your fingers, then apply some cornstarch on the fondant. Now I'll cover it with a cling wrap so that ये dry ना हो जाए while we make the next fondant topper. Now we'll make the fondant drip with this for the top of the cake. We will again roll it out. And place an acrylic disc on the center. Then cut out drip-like design with an X-Acto knife. अब हम इस केक की डॉलप्स, चेरीज, कैंडल्स एंड रेनबो स्प्रिंकल्स बनाएंगे. So for the dollops, we'll make round balls. Then make another smaller one and place it on top. So for the cherries, we'll make small round balls like this. And with this tool, we'll press it in the center to create cavity. And we'll press this tool gently below the cavity as well. Stick with the video because the most delectable moments are yet to be unfolded. So हमारे fondant cherries ready है. So we are almost done with our fondant toppers. Now let's make the candle. And it is the most easy part of this cake. We'll make a log out of this white fondant and roll out pink fondant and cut it into a strip. Make sure that you stick the strip to the candle with water. We'll stick this strip to the candle like this. We'll make a small flame as well with the orange fondant. We'll make a strip that is the same length of the cake. Now we'll make the sprinkles. For that, make small strips of different colors and cut it into small pieces. So we are done with all the toppers. अब हम इन सारे toppers को केक में स्टिक कर देंगे, starting from covering the cake with this. While sticking fondant, make sure कि आप उसको gently press करें. Now we'll place the drip from the top. And press with this fondant smoother like this. We'll stick the fondant drip with water as well. अब हम इसके बीच में स्ट्रिप लगाएंगे, पर उससे पहले फर्स्ट हम वाटर ब्रश करेंगे सो दैट ये अच्छे से स्टिक हो जाए. Now we'll place the dollop on top like this. Make sure to stick them with water. अब हम छोटे छोटे thin outlines बनाएंगे with this black fondant. ये इस केक का एक बहुत ही important part है क्योंकि इसी से comic look आता है. So for making the outlines, we'll simply roll it with our fingers like this. अब हम इसे इन cherries and candles में stick करेंगे. We'll make some more for the cake and start sticking to it. We'll insert a wire in the flame so that it sticks to the candle and stands straight. We'll place the cherries on top of the dollops. Also place the candle in the middle. We'll stick the sprinkles to the cake as well. And with this, our comic cake is ready to be served. I really hope आपको हमारी ये रेसिपी ज़रूर पसंद आई. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to stay notified. Till then, keep baking.